name is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, my name is Nikki, and this is my channel. It's 95% makeup, beauty, skincare, 3% Korea, 2% me just being me. So, today's video, it is Friday in Korea. It's not Friday yet in America, but it's Friday in Korea. And every Friday on my channel, I do what is called Face Chart Fridays, where I try to recreate a face chart. Today's face chart was chosen by Instagram. And there were two charts, and the better chart won, obviously. So, with that being said, let's get started. So as you can see in the picture, this chart is very blue. So I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette first, and I'm going to take this blue shade here and put that above the crease and right under the brow, but not directly under the brow. Gonna leave some space, a little color. Yeah. And I don't want to use black yet, just yet, even though it's very, very smoky. So I'm going to be taking the Funkhouser Rockstar palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade here, which is called Legendary. And I'm going to use that first to darken, and then I'll come back with Gritty Pretty and add that later. Now using the same brush, I dusted it off and going into the black shade Gritty Pretty. I'm going to put that directly on top of Legendary to kind of deepen it and smoke it out and add dimension. But I'm not going to use a lot, just in that area. Then I'm going to take the ColourPop Mar palette and the shade E.l.f, which is this blue shade, and I'm going to put that where I put my concealer.
Don't touch my wave. They don't make them beats like they used to. They don't make them beats. They don't make them beats like they used to. They don't make them beats. They don't get their life like they used to. They don't get their life. They don't take the night like they used to. They don't take the night like they used to. We going in, no photo ops. They taking pictures like they with the pops. Girls in their heels, boys in their crops. They booty shaking even if they top. We hit the room, everything stops. They spy me.
Then I'm going to go back into the BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to mix this blue in this one to make a lighter blue, because if you look in the very inner corner, it's not dark. So, but I don't want it too bright because it's not a very light one. I don't have a shade that matches that blue, so I'm going to have to combine these two, and let's see how it works. So this is the part of the video where I'm going to go and do everything else off camera and then come back for lower lash line, lip, and finishing the eyes because they're actually not done. But I'm going to do my lower lash liner off camera but not the color. I look absolutely crazy, but that's fine. If you're wondering why there's a bunch of white in there, that is primer. It is an e.l.f. primer that I'm trying. I got from Shop Miss A. So yeah, now the last part, well, one of the last parts of the eyes is the inner corner. If you look in the picture, it's yellow and it's bright. So I'm going to be using the shade Quench from the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette, and I'm going to put that just where the primer is.
I know how to pick 'em, I know how to trick 'em into tricking me, 'cause they know I leave my heart on my sleeve, yeah. And if you wanna date me, just manipulate me, honey.
Now going back into the Funkhouser palette, I'm going to be using Rock Royale and Legendary on the lower lash line. Even though it's just like a dark blue, I think I'm going to combine those two to make it a little brighter.
I got 99 problems, but I'll take one more. I love shopping at the XOXo store, and if you don't know how to treat me right, take my number 'cause you're just my type. And I know I'm fucked up, lucky you. I'm looking for someone a little fucked up too. If you wanna break my heart tonight, come on over 'cause you're just my type. Yeah, you're just my type. You're just my type. You're just my type. You're just my type. Yeah, oh, you're just my type. I know how they do me, but how do they talk to me every time they leave? And I swear right then that I'll never let it happen again. No, if you wanna upset me, just forget to text me, honey, I'll be the lead.
And the final step is the lip, and for the lip I'm going to be using the ColourPop lippy stick in the shade Weekender. This is one of my favorite red lip shades, so I'm going to be putting that on now.
I got 99 problems, but I'll take one more. I love shopping at the XOXo store, and if you don't know how to treat me right, take my number 'cause you're just my type. And I know I'm fucked up, lucky you. I'm looking for someone a little fucked up too. If you wanna break my heart tonight, come on over 'cause you're just my type. Yeah, you're just my type. You're just my type. You're just my type. Yeah, oh, you're just my type. I got 99 problems, but I'll take one more. Shopping at the XOXo store, and if you don't know how to treat me right, take my number 'cause you're just my type. And I know I'm fucked up.
And this is the finished look. I actually like this. I didn't think it would at first. It's very, I don't know, it reminds me of some type of artwork. It also reminds me of Dory, so I'll probably name it Dory. But I love this eye look with this red lip. The highlight is the Liquid Frost plus King Tut again. If you watched yesterday's video, then I used the same combination. The Cupid Bow highlight is Trophy Wife. My brows are always benefit. And that's it. Everything else I showed in the video. I used the Coty Airspun powder and the e.l.f. contour palette, cream contour palette I should say, not the powdered one. So yeah, that is it for this video. I need to stop pulling my hair. Yesterday I pulled an extension on at work. It was slightly embarrassing, but no one was in there when I did it. So yeah, that's it for this video. Gonna take pictures and then go to work. Until next time, bye.